I'm Rick Costner. My stores are About Floors and More in Jacksonville, Florida. We have 2 locations, and we currently have 6 users on MeasureSquare. And before we had MeasureSquare, we would measure by hand, and we had a lot of problems with the quality of the drawings, the layouts for the installers, and then of course whether we were accurate with our measures. When we got MeasureSquare, we quickly realized that we were short on jobs less. We had really good drawings for our installers, and we had pictures that went along with the drawings, and it made the turnover to the installers to go out on the job much easier and much cleaner, in a way that ensured that when the installers got there, we weren't getting a lot of calls trying to figure out what had to go where and how it had to go. Everything was pretty much laid out with the MeasureSquare, and that became a really good point for our installers and for us. And then also just having MeasureSquare when you walk in to do a measure sets you apart from your competitors, because no one comes in with that kind of professionalism, and the look on customers' faces when they see a drawing when you've just finished it and you show it to them, they know that the numbers you're telling them are accurate, and they're not open to interpretation. So I would highly recommend MeasureSquare. We wouldn't be able to run our business without it.